You are going to love the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, compass. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.